Hi everyone, I am Sagar Sengupta. Welcome to my LifePage. Today we will talk about modeling. Before that, let me introduce myself. I am a mechatronics engineer, graduated from University of Petroleum and Energy Studies in 2017. But I started off with my modeling career a year and a half ago. So how did I start modeling? I started modeling in my second or third year of my engineering, and I just went when somebody suggested this kind of event is being organized. So I participated in Mr. North India. I was in the top 5. Then built up confidence. Went to Mr. Dehradun, stood second there, and then currently I'm Mr. Uttarakhand, first runner up. Modeling. A model is a person who represents, gives life to a mannequin. There are a lot of people who need to know what exactly they are going to wear, what exactly the trends are, and what exactly their life is supposed to be. And they need a figure to follow, and you are that figure if you have become a model. Books are a prime source with which you can actually influence your thoughts in a lot of ways. So yeah, try to read a lot of books. You have to know how to walk, because you might not really emphasize a lot on walking, your posture when we walk in general life, but here people are noticing you. So knowing the correct posture, the correct balance of your body, and how you express yourself through walking, that's important. And again, this you can learn a lot from a lot of videos around. So modeling has a good monetary potential when you're established. There are a lot of efforts that you have to put up to, but when you're established and you make sense and you can connect and to the people around, that's great for you. There's a lot of competition around. You will see a lot of people aspiring to become a model. That's good that there is a competition around, but you have to realize your own potential. A lot of people come here for the sake of modeling. You might not want that. You want to recognize your own potential and then enter this field. And if you if you have the potential and you realize that, then you can beat a lot of competition around. Right. So a typical day goes, you have to be fit. I talked about that. So that's one primary concern that you have to have. So it goes around fitness. It goes about maintaining yourself from within and without. You have to look good, and you have to train your brain as well. You have to understand and add on to your knowledge. So you have to read books, you have to eat healthy, you have to exercise. If you have assignments, if I have assignments, I have to prepare a couple of days before, because you want to stay natural, right? So you have to prepare a couple of days before to prepare your body according to what the need of the shoot is. So that also goes into the routine, and then life's good after that. I hope I have been able to give you a balanced view about modeling. Thank you.